Hello guys, and be welcome to weekly update number 2. Today we are on a different format, but let's see what's in store. So, at the moment, I haven't managed to do much on the bench, unfortunately. I managed to start weathering the Hawker Hurricane, so I done the wash on the bottom, and on the top I managed to get all these little parts painted and pre-assembled, and that's as far as I went. So now this week I'm hoping to apply the matte coat and then start having fun with some AK weathering pencils. This is not going to be a heavily weathered one. It's going to have a subtle weathering, just make it like in use but not very used. We'll see how it goes. On the meantime, we have received our delivery for the SMS paints that will follow on the next project, and that leads us to what's in store for beginning of next year. So I have a very defined mind of what I want to do with the channel. Now I want to follow up with it, and I want to give you guys some premium content. So in order to do that, we are starting the year with a build along on my Discord server. So if you guys have a look at the description, the link will be there, and if you guys are interested, join in, get your model and start building along with us. The model will be, I think I told you already, the Edward P51D Tales of Iwo Jima in 1/48 scale. This will be done with a sponsorship of SMS Paints. It will be the box art logo, or not logo, blimey. It will be the box art version. That's the way it goes, and we will be using all the SMS paints, metallic range. I will do a test with them so that we know how they behave and all those things. So I'll be posting a short video as well on that. So this will be the first project of the year, starting on the 1st of January. Pop over to my Discord server and you get everything in there, and if you guys want to build along with us, feel free to. The other thing is this beauty, the Kinetic F16 I Block 2542 USAF in 1/48 scale. This is the gold edition. This will be a sponsored build by From Models. From Models were kind enough to send me this model so that I could build and review it on the channel, and it's gonna have their sponsorship, so stay tuned. If you like the F16s, I have the F16 I as well to build the Portuguese version, but this will be starting mid-Feb, I would say, beginning of Feb, mid-Feb. That's when this will be starting. So again, if you guys want to see it, please subscribe to the channel and have a look around. So this will be the one that I'll be building again, and again I'm bringing this one back to the bench as well. This we have received now the spare part from Italerie, and now we can start this. So if you guys remember, I was dumb enough because I want to do lights, smoke coming out of the chimney and all those things, and I was dumb enough to hit the shrink tube for the lights with a ironing solder, or a soldering iron, that's the way you say it, and I end up melting the plastic off the part. So yeah, I had to resort to Italerie to buy a new spare part, and it finally arrived. So this will be in between projects. I will be building this up because this is part of the 500 subscriber special gift. So yeah, you'll have front lights, rear lights, smoke coming out of the chimney, everything is inside, everything is here. So stay tuned as well to see what's going on with this. So yeah, this is what is in store. This is what we have to offer you, and I hope you guys have a very, 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 very happy new year, and that 2023, if not better, the same as 2022. So guys, have a very happy new year, and see you all around on the bench. Ta-da!